Hey guys, Chuck and Glenn here from the Link Lighting Lab. I was gone last week. I know he did a little something.
Man, it was nice.
Yeah, he did a little something secret. Hey, listen, today we're going to talk about Rack-A-Tier. Rack-A-Tier, and Teddy will put a link on the website, and this stuff is tools and wire management.
Right.
And we love it. For landscape lighting, they've got a couple things that are just so trick we had to show you guys. And one of them is this wire caddy, we call it. Now, Teddy will show you we've got a ridiculously long pipe in here. You can put in any length pipe you want. You can put as many rolls as you want. But for guys pulling, let's say 12 or 10 or 6, it doesn't matter really what wire size.
No, as long as you can lift the end of it and wheel it around the yard, you can put as many on there as you want.
Let me show you. You pick this thing up and you just go wherever you want. I mean, this is so cool. It's actually better than the spinners we used to offer.
Yeah.
We like it better. It's much easier to manage, easier to store, and we'll show you that in a minute. But you could put on as many rolls as you wanted and peel them off and go in whatever direction you want to go. And you guys know how to put a rebar in with a piece of Schedule 40 over it as sort of a spinner, so you can turn corners. You can have as many of those as you need. You can go all the way around the house with that system. So very cool. Let's take it apart just to show them how it's done.
It's just simply a thumb screw, and then it just slides off.
Yeah.
So when you're going to put it, you know, in your van or your pickup truck, it's pretty simple. Slide your wire on. It's that easy. It's in your. So pretty simple, pretty quick.
Very simple, very simple.
No tools required.
All right, and let's talk about their this is one of the Rack-A-Tier's main products, and you guys are going to see in the video Bill using this thing, but it works as a seat, it works as a workbench, it works as a sawhorse, it works as a spooler for wire as well. A couple other really nice things it has, and you guys are going to see that in the video. This is a wire management tool, but it also does a whole lot of other things too. And Rack-A-Tier has a ton of cool stuff. If you see something on the website if you're interested in, give us a call, and we'll do some special pricing on all of this video. And that's it. So call us today.
Right.
Rack-A-Tier.
Like us online, Facebook, Instagram, and remember, of course, call us first.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thanks.